We have studied the importance of scheduling and planning. Now, let's give you a short explanation. Then you will see its vital role. Next week is your birthday and you want to have a party. For this party, there are questions. What is the budget? How many days you have left to do the party? What kind of material do you need to buy and from where? How many people do you want to invite? What do you want to serve or what kind of activity you would like to have? It is a simple birthday party project. But now, let's turn to a real constructional project. For the project also, we must answer some questions. Please remember, all these are simple questions, and in the next lessons, we will face possible scenarios. In every project, we have to answer these main questions. What is the project budget? What is the project duration? What are the sequences of the activities? How many man-hours or what kind of resources should I use? The human and machinery resources. What kind of material do I need to complete this project? If you emphasize the answers of these questions, it means you comprehend the significance of the planning. We will drill to the answers to the above questions in the next steps to have a better understanding of project management software like Microsoft projects.